How many times do you feel like your money just doesn't last? Like your money is just slipping through your fingers? Today, I have one of my best and simplest recipes for you to make your money last. And in the questions section, one of my friends wants to know a recipe I gave a while ago about getting paid the money that you're owed. And of course, your angel's message, all this and more in just a moment. Many times things happen to us and we end up thinking, was it us or did the other person provoke me to make that decision? I'm doing what I don't want to, but that's what I was told I should do. It's not where I want to go, but, well, maybe it's a good place. All those existential doubts that many of us often have are clearly related to our way of thinking, feeling, speaking, and consequently acting. We are all exactly what we think, and what we experience is the result of my thinking, feeling, and happen. And my phrase goes like this. We are, in many ways, the decisions that we choose to make in our lives. If you have any doubts or any questions, we'll gladly receive your questions at our email address, Mizada@movic.mx. And I invite you to our website, Mizada-Mohamed.com. You're going to find a wealth of information. Beautiful, lovely, wonderful, and spectacular. It's made with much love for you, and I invite you to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, hit the bell so you don't miss any of our premieres, and take a look around the whole show. There's so much information made with great enthusiasm, love, and light for you. And on social media, Mizada Mohamed, all verified. And we're also over there on TikTok. And let's go with the question from one of our friends. Can you help me remember a recipe you gave a while ago that worked very well for me? It's to get paid some money that I'm owed. It was done with water, a coin, salt, and sugar, but I don't remember how it was done or how many days to repeat it. It's a very good recipe, yes. Look, it's very easy. We're gonna do it during a waxing moon so that it happens. If you're in a hurry to do it, well, then do it during any moon phase. Try not to do it during a waning moon so that you get paid. New moon, full moon, or waxing moon. You're gonna take a very clean little glass that's only used for the preparation you're about to make. Don't use the glasses that we use every single day for drinking water or whatever. A special glass for your recipes. In that clear crystalline glass with nothing else but clear glass. You're gonna add water. You'll add a small handful of salt, a small handful of sugar, and you're gonna take that glass and you'll say, with all your strength, your faith, your energy, your confidence, the name of the person who currently owes you the money, whether it's a person, business, company, whoever. Say their name into the mouth of the glass. You repeat it 7 times. Say the name of the person and tell them very kindly that they should pay you. And you repeat it to them again. And you repeat it again and you repeat it again in 1,000 ways, right? Name so-and-so. Thank you for paying me the money you owe me. The money came to me without any problem at all. Thank you, so-and-so, because you paid me. Okay. Once you're finished doing it, you're gonna leave it in a little corner of your room. Every day, you're gonna repeat it, and you'll do it for 7 days. It is done for 7 days. After the 7 days, oh, I forgot the coins. Put 3 coins inside the little glass with the water, sugar, and salt. Once you have finished doing it and saying it, so that the energy of the water, the salt, the sugar, the coins will make it so that energy reaches the person who currently owes you the money. Repeat it for 7 consecutive days. Put your little glass of water in a small corner of your room. When the 7 days have passed, take your little coins, pour the glass, the water with salt and sugar into the sink. Wash your little glass very well and save it for another occasion. And keep the little coins right there very close to you. And you'll see that in a very short amount of time, they'll pay you that money they owe you. And in just a little bit more, what do we have? This cinnamon recipe so that your money will last. It's great, super simple, and very effective. And do you have your question for your angel yet? Or the message or the signing? Come on. It often happens to us that our mental chatter is so annoying and tells us, you don't have enough money. Your money just doesn't last. Money slips through your hands just like water. I just put some savings together and an expense came up that I wasn't expecting. Okay. First, we must push those thoughts away from our minds. Every time our mind tries to say something like that, we're gonna counter it by saying, canceled, canceled, canceled. I attract money into my life and it stays in my life in a perfect, harmonious, and balanced way. Canceled, canceled, canceled. Money lasts for me. Money is in my life. Money is with me. I am a magnet for money. But often, someone else's comment or even our own gets the best of us. So we're gonna do this recipe so that through our energy, our plasma, our decrees, and the cinnamon, well, money will last and stay in our wallets. We're gonna do it during the new moon or a waxing moon. We're gonna infuse each one of our ingredients. Infusing means rubbing our hands together, letting our energy out, and charging the ingredients. We're gonna need a small cinnamon stick, a small red ribbon, a yellow candle, personal perfume, and incense. As we begin our preparation process, we'll be visualizing and decreeing our desires. I'll imagine how money comes into my life, how it stays, how it lasts for me, how everything flows in perfect harmony. It's extremely important that we speak in the present tense when we're making our intentions. Let's set the intentions. You can make as many intentions as you want. This recipe is as simple and as affordable as it gets. With our incense, feeling very comfortable and great, we'll take our personal perfume. I'm taking Mizada's and I'm gonna put perfume on the little red ribbon, my perfume. And I'm also gonna put perfume on the cinnamon stick or slipper. Oh, it smells so good. Well, we put our little perfume here, our little ribbon, our candle. Yellow. Yellow opens the past. Yellow is abundance, just like gold, just like orange. I really like using yellow for these kinds of recipes to give me imagination. And so communication arrives quickly, frankly, and 100% in what I'm desiring. What am I desiring? That money lasts for me, that all that money entering my wallet lasts, all of it. And what I say for later, in a drawer, wherever I keep it, lasts. May money always last for me, because I am attraction and I am a magnet for money. Now that I've said all that, the incense is here, everything's lovely, my candle is lit, I said all my intentions, I'm going to take my cinnamon stick and I'm gonna start. It can be by speaking, always out loud, speaking or singing. We're gonna take our cinnamon sprig or stick and we're gonna tie 7 knots. With each one of my knots, I'm stating an intention, a wish, a request. I'm gonna say it out loud. And feel worthy of the abundance that this rich universe has for me. Money comes into my life, of course, and it lasts. It lasts because it lasts. You can cut the little threads. Here are the 7 knots you're gonna take. Your cinnamon stick with both hands, the left where it receives, the right is the one that gives. I close my eyes and imagine that money lasts for me. If I keep telling myself over and over again that money really does last for me and I truly believe it, I'm going to gradually remove and let go of that negative thought I used to have before, which, by the way, I'm not going to repeat or dwell on anymore. Because money doesn't last. The cinnamon, the intentions, the knots, the ribbon, the scents make it so our money comes to us and lasts. We're going to keep it in our wallet. If you don't want to use a big one, well, you can use half. That's your decision. As for me, since I love it when it arrives and plenty stays, I always use big ones. I put it in my wallet. Once a month, I'm gonna take out my cinnamon stick so money lasts for me. I light my candle again. For a few minutes, I say my intentions again. I light my incense stick to cleanse it once more. The smoke, which is the air element, will help me cleanse. Here I am, clicked it. And I'm imagining everything that I desire, because we are what we think. To think is to create. And what I want, I attract. What do the guardian angels have for us at this moment? What sign? What word? What message? It's very simple. Do you have a question to ask? A doubt that troubles you? Or do you just want a word or a sign? I invite you to keep a journal of your angels' messages. Remember that angels manifest in 1,000 ways. In a song, in a word, in a scent, in a flower, in whatever you want. So if you keep a record of all the times you get messages from the angels, the words and combinations can give you a wonderful answer. Are we ready now? Let's go. Do you have your question or just a message? I'm ready. Let's see, what is the sign from our angel? Flourishing. It is necessary to increase knowledge by using your mental agility full of enthusiasm. Remember that enthusiasm comes from the Greek entheos, which means in God. I trust. So enthusiasm and flourishing. Let's see what it tells us here. I am the angel who gives you the strength and energy needed to act in these moments. There is a special light in your being. It's time to decide. It's a moment to move forward because you have help from heaven. We angels are giving you freedom and detachment. Let's take note. Freedom, detachment. What else did it say? Flourishing and enthusiasm. And the word, it goes like this: flexibility. If we are flexible with the situations we are living, we take freedom of our being, self-love. We let go of hands, we remove detachment. We open ourselves to flourishing. We put in enthusiasm. To me, this is a response that is super positive. So that things happen, move forward, and stay in the just right and proper place. Thank you very much for having enjoyed this. Thank you for being part of all of us in this great family, where we do all of this with much love for you. I embrace you tightly from soul to soul and wish you light, peace, love, joy, and much happiness. And of course, great health. Ruvich family. Bravo, my Bernie. So lovely, my Bernie. Thank you so much. Truly, thank you for being with us. Much light. Love yourself a lot. I am Mizada Mohamed. I love you all, and I want to see you thrive. Thank you so much for joining us. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all our recipes, tips, and many topics that we have for you. Much light, much peace, and much love.